I'm talking about pathology of your life. Okay? The scientific study. Does it work? Technology. No, it's more punishment. No, it's all right. Okay, the etiology. Just for your parents. How did I land here? Or who did this to me? How it started my career in medicine, okay? Probably if you are like me, having Asian parents, they might have been the reason you are here. Or might be the community pressure. Mera beta doctor hai. It's Indian parents say that. It's proud for a parent. I saw that on parents' face day before yesterday at the graduation. All that brightness. Although the student was not as bright as their parent. So whatever was your dream, you started your journey. The first day in the medical school, interview. Please touch your heart and say, what did you answer? Why you should be given a seat here? What is special about JCU? Your passion. Indigenous health, remote, rural, tropical. Never forget in your life. We want honesty. The journey through the college, many times we staff talk. We see such a bright students on the first day of the interview. Totally bright, intelligent. And we see the sad faces of the 6th year students going out. Although they are happy that they are graduating. So many times we are asked, what has the school done to them? I tell them we show the reality, the practical life. Okay, pathogenesis, the journey. Parents must have been really happy. My son is studying medicine, but you probably look like this. Suffer now, later you will enjoy. Of course, the journey. And we believe the staff, because we are the cause of your pain. Without pain, there is no gain. So you better appreciate all the pain we gave you. And the morphology, the end result. Probably look at your face in the mirror. But I would like to see your parents or your community's face. You were students, but now you are doctors. So what's the future? How do I manage this case? And that's what I'm going to talk about a bit. Doctor, what next? And the full meaning comes to me in this meaning of doctor, you know. The doctor word comes from the Latin docere, the experts in church in the olden days, who were advisors, teachers. They were beneficial. This is the dictionary meaning, okay? One who is helpful to others. Others can approach him for their difficulties. And the Australian New Zealand dictionary says, make an all-out effort. That's the meaning of doctor, okay? Docere. And probably this summarizes what's your role in future. What community, what your parents expect from you, and most important, of course, your patients. Now, all that CPC, the lectures, the Shashi, forget. What you carry now is no tutor books, no tutor handouts, no guide, no podcast. What you carry yourself, that's your tool. So, expect problems. Don't expect that the journey is finished. It's actually beginning. All your patients now come without the tutor books. No guidance there. But we believe we have given you enough skills to face those. So expect problems not only in diagnosis, throughout your life. And the famous quote you all said. The first quote on my first day lecture, isn't it? And this is the last one in my last lecture. You are responsible for what you are. You build your life. Community, parents, medical school and lectures are only smaller part contributing. So, I'm just ending with few quotes. Lots of them. Passion is the energy. Have interest. I always tell when students come to me before whether I should join medicine, I tell them it's a difficult course, but if you like it, it's the easiest. You will enjoy. Where there is no struggle, there is no strength. The more difficulty we give, the more stronger you become. Doing the best, you in the best place for rest of your career. So means try to do your best in wherever you work, wherever you are placed. Appreciate every system. Never blame any problems, government or weather or country. Never. Appreciate what you have. You will get more of what you appreciate. The best things will come. Winners have answers. Don't give excuses. Wherever you are placed, do your best. The only person who is educated is one who has learned how to learn. Okay? So, not the pathology, not the Robbins, what you studied. What we have tried to give you is gradually, we made it more and more online, more self-directed, is to prepare you for your next journey. You will learn on your own next. The more you praise and celebrate, there will be more to celebrate in your life. And if you start blaming, you will have more to blame. And this is my most favorite quote. Don't be a sheep. Don't follow others. Don't give in to peer pressure. They are just sheep. They are following someone. You set the standards. Be a lion. Everyone makes mistakes, so don't be afraid of making mistakes. Only you learn from them. You learn from them. So I've just given few quotes of people who have achieved. More of Queenslanders and Australians have given example. Mark Lowen was a medical student, a rugby player, but most important is he developed an ophthalmology program for rural people, which is now being followed all over the world. Something like Hallows Foundation. You all know Reese syndrome? If you have forgotten, open the Robbins. Don't sell your Robbins. Keep it with you. And my lectures on a DVD. Interesting was 2 days back in the graduation, two parents who came, we appreciate your lectures. I said, my God, that's what's for your son. Anyway, at least the quotes will help you. He is from Townsville, okay? And he is a pathologist. Barry Marshall, Nobel Prize, when he was a medical student. That's the most important part. He won Nobel Prize when he was a medical student, and he got it because he had a pathologist friend. So am I telling you now? Think of pathology if you want to be bright. And he gave a presentation in Sydney, one of the pathology conferences in 2007, and he gave this quote there. A lot of people did not believe that peptic ulcer was caused by a bacteria. They said we have too many etiology already. They did not listen to the sheep. They did not listen to the common people's opinion. Always check yourself and set your own standards. Don't be sheep. Okay. And many times people do have that inferiority complex. I'm not as good as other students in my class, or I'm not intelligent. my race is not that bright. No, you can achieve if you believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. How many people know this man? Anybody? Ah, yes, very good. Few people know. Okay. Sam Prince, a Sri Lankan medical student who started Sombrero food chain restaurant. There are quite a few now in Townsville. But that's not the big thing. What he has started is plate for plate. His foundation gives money for poor people in the developing countries. For every burrito you buy here, they get a food there. And now he has started one disease at a time. Now he wants to cure one disease at a time. It's a big foundation now. And most important was this newspaper article about him. Remember, he all achieved this when he was a medical student, not after finishing. From Canberra. He says, his mother told, expand your life to the limits of your mind and expand your mind to the limits of your life. Know your limits, but don't put limit to your imagination. Excellent persons. This one probably most of you know. Eddie Koike Mabo, who changed the way the Western or the developed countries treated indigenous people. It was Australia who put this on the global map or the legal world that they do have rights. Before it was not known. And now we have a library named after him. But most important, see the bottom line. He was a gardener at James Cook University here when he achieved this. You don't have to be special. But you are already special. That's why you are sitting here. You have gone through this hardship. So you are special. So you can achieve much, much more. So I put this picture. If you have any negative tendencies, take it out. You are better than many, many other people. Be confident who you are and go into your profession with full confidence. You are carrying the flag of JCU. That comes with a responsibility. What you have inside is matters. Not your past or the pathology lectures. And of course, that's my favorite quote, dream big. Don't try to be ordinary. Be special in wherever you are placed. And this is, put it on your wall. I want to make my rest of my life the best of my life. I knew. Thank you. No questions today.